nature because it's like you never know what you're going to expect.
You have more space to move around, whereas inside you're a bit more cramped. Whereas outside you can go wherever you want and you can do a lot more.
Well, being outdoors makes me feel like liberated, free, and just I can run around, do whatever. When I was walking to my after-school program from school yesterday,
He saw a raccoon in a tree.
I saw a raccoon in the tree, and I was totally not expecting that. Neither was anyone else. So life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
It makes you feel almost like better to be outdoors than, because inside you're always like, oh, I want to leave. It's so hot, I'm so cooked up. There's all the air is only carbon dioxide right now. But then when you get outside, there's not carbon dioxide. It's not air. It's not oxygen. It's like almost like breathing in clear things.